Ayo.
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 Go team chicken.
Woo.
I'm black chicken over here, so it's not racial.
It is definitely racial, don't listen to him. Oh shit.
Wait. Is this custom loadouts?
Wait, what the hell happened to all of my loadouts?
Is this custom loadouts? Or is this gonna be bullshit?
What the hell happened to all my loadouts? Alright, whatever. Team chicken! Kyle! Kyle, come on! Kyle, I'm here to help! Nah. Oh. Shit.
That was a very nice name. I'm MLG.
Declan, Team Chicken!
Just might be armor.
Declan, Team Chicken!
We need armor! I don't try hard in Halo 4.
Oh my god!
Chicken!
Yeah, Team Chicken! Team Chicken!
Team chicken! Come on!
Ah,
Team chicken!
Why do I not trust this?
Because it's us.
I do not trust this decision! I do not trust
No.
this!
We need you!
Don't leave us!
Chicken ass!
Kill!
Kyle,
You
Team Chicken!
bastard!
Kyle, Team Chicken! Kyle, I have a warthog!
Throw nades and kill them. Nade spam!
Kyle! Damn it! Jesus! Oh no, no, you are not driving.
Come on, I'm See? This is how shit I am at Halo. 2 deaths and 7 kills. That's how shit I am.
I got him. Where the hell are you? Okay, that's just rude. Whoa! Yep.
Get on my level, faggot!
Oh no! Oh!
Yeah, we. MLG, I came top.
Yeah.
leader-
Yeah!
Team Chicken for life.
How's the bill of an organ?
Yeah,
Like,
Oh my god, guys! Play some big team battle! MLG face quick scope. Oh!